Ben Affleck fears he is one errant remark away from being cancelled. The 52-year-old actor who split from his wife Jennifer Lopez earlier this year made the confession in a joint interview with his pal Matt Damon as they discussed setting up their artist equity production company. He told the sources, "We are all subject to this sort of insecurity in this business. Whether we are actors or directors or writers, the phone could stop ringing for us. This is the only thing I can count on, this upfront money. I don't know when this might go away. I am one errand remark away from being cancelled, or I am one movie bomb away from never working again, and I have got a family," and so forth. Ben and Matt Company aims to create fairer pay schemes, and Ben admitted his life as in Hollywood is never certain because he is always at risk of losing everything. It allows artists to invest in the project they are making so the profit can be split in a more fair way, and Ben admitted he wants to end the days of A-list stars making huge money, even if the studio makes a loss on their movie, and he offered his flop 2003 movie Giggly as an example. He explained, "I have been in movies like Giggly, that's a famous example. I got a big cash payday for that. Well, it does not feel right in retrospect because the studio lost money. It was not the biggest money losing movie in history, even though it was the most famous bomb in history. Perhaps nonetheless that does not sit right with me. But it also does not sit right with people when they go, wait a minute. We all sacrificed to be committed to this, and then the old story about the $10 million movie that's made $200 million and nobody seen a nickel." Ben is currently going through a divorce from Jennifer Lopez after 2 years of marriage. The singer filed for divorce in August on her and Ben's second wedding anniversary after months of rumor that their relationship was on the brink of collapse. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.